In the time of Umar ibn Khattab radiallahu anhu, there was a caravan which came to Medina at night time. Umar is Amirul Mu'mineen. Umar says to Abdurrahman ibn Auf, this multi-millionaire, he says, let's go and look after these people. So they'll go to the caravan and they ask them, do you need anything, etc. Abdurrahman ibn Auf, multi-millionaire, Umar ibn Khattab, Amirul Mu'mineen, they go to these people. And in that caravan, there is this lady, she's got this child and the child keeps crying. So Umar went to the lady and said, make your child quiet. Later Umar comes again and the child is still crying. So Umar radiallahu anh said, what a wicked mother you are. All night your child has been crying, you have done nothing. She said, she doesn't know this is Amirul Mu'mineen. So Umar is doing khidmah, she doesn't know this is Amirul Mu'mineen. So she says, you know, Amirul Mu'mineen has stipulated an allowance for those children who have stopped drinking their mother's milk, have been weaned off. I need that. This is why I'm weaning my child off, and this is why my child is crying. So Umar said, how old is your child? She told him. He said, don't hurry. And then Abdurrahman ibn Auf radiallahu anh narrates that morning Umar led the Fajr Salah. He cried so much that we couldn't even understand what he was reciting. And after Fajr he turned around and he said, woe to you, Umar. What a stupid rule that you had, that children should be given allowance when they're weaned off. How many children have you killed because of this rule of yours? But you see, these people, they left a legacy behind them. They did meaningful work. Abdurrahman ibn Auf was a multi-millionaire, worked in the marketplace, but he also did other things.